How to verify accounts on AliExpress. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can verify your account on AliExpress. To verify your account on AliExpress is not difficult and it's essential so you can have a seamless experience on AliExpress. But how do you go about this? The first thing to do is to log in into the AliExpress account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, by the top right corner of the screen, you'll see account icon. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the account page where by the left side of the screen you'll see a list of options, all right, such as others, payments, etc. Now once you see all of this, go ahead and select settings. Settings is underneath feedback and above shopping address. Once you click on settings, you'll be taken to the settings page. On this page, you'll see personal information, security information, activate email notifications. Okay, so here, just go ahead and click on edit profile. Edit profile is located under personal information, the second option. So once you click on it, you'll be directed to the edit profiles page. Now on this edit profiles page, you would see that your name, your gender, and then you will see that the email address has not been confirmed. To verify your account means that to confirm your email address. So since your email address has not been confirmed, that means that the account has not been confirmed. So what do? Go ahead and click on edit. Edit is at the lower part of this box here. Just click on edit. Once you click on edit, this page will be updated, and then go back to your email and click here to confirm. Yes, click here to confirm your email. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to this page. We've sent an email to Abioye20. So this an email has been sent already. So all you need to do is to click on go to confirm now by going to your Gmail. That is, if you have created your Gmail already, you've added your Gmail already to your account, you can just go there and accept it. Or instead, you can log into your Gmail using your mobile phone. And then once that is done, once you've logged in using your mobile phone, go ahead, confirm the email. Once the email has been confirmed, you'll be redirected to this page, and then your email address will be verified. So this is how you can verify your account on AliExpress. Very simple, right? Yes. So go ahead and verify your account now. You can also decide to fill in the rest of these fields. Then once you filled them in, submit, and your account would be solidified and verified. Thanks for watching.